Hi, my name's Hazem Gaber. We're gonna play with ChatGPT a little bit more today. So let's do something here. Some funny stuff. Explain quantum theory like Snoop Dogg. Is that yourself, Snoop Dogg? Oh yeah. So it's explaining us Schrodinger's cat just like Snoop Dogg. Give me some funny party prompts. Give me a list of funny enter questions. If you were a fruit, which one would you be? If you could communicate through dance, how would you handle business meetings? If you were a pro wrestler, what would your entrance theme song be, and what would your signature moves be called? At the end, it says, "Look, bring some levity to the interview process, but balance it with more serious questions." So it's even telling us that we're a bit dumb here. But let's say write a poem about yourself. Nope, I broke it again. So it wrote a funny poem about itself. You can say, was this response better or worse than the previous one? Because the previous one was an error. Because one of the things you can do is you can regenerate the response. So if you don't like what it tells you, you can regenerate. And you can have another response to your question. Write a positive review about milk steak. Write a negative review about milk steak. So now I did a 1-star review. Write a 3-star review about milk steak. Describe your perfect day. Well, it doesn't have perfect day or preferences, but it mentions sunlight, breakfast, adventure, lunch, um, science. Right, some fail, false facts. See if it will. So important to clarify that these are made up. This proves global warming. Well, it won't disprove global warming, even if you ask it to. Well, it's okay though. So, if you have any questions, you can. Oh, let's do another one. Let's do some more. Um, give. Where are we here? Give me some funny TikTok lines. Is your name Wi-Fi? Because I'm really feeling a connection. Are you a parking ticket because you've got fine written all over you? Do you have a name or can I call you mine? Are you a magician? Because when I look at your profile, everyone else disappears. Hey, you know what we can do? Uh, let's go back to DALI. Generate a meme. Can it make a look? Somebody made a knitted bowl of soup monster. Okay, so let's take a look. Oops, where did I switch windows? Will it generate a meme for us? Not It's not very good. So yeah, if you have any questions, post a comment and we'll answer it in the next video. Thank you.